Hey Greg, Jarl, Kubat here with West USA Realty and Arizona 55 Plus Communities. I'm out in Victory at Verrado here. It's been a week since you were last in Arizona. I just wanted to give you a little refresher video here of one of your top picks here out in Victory at Verrado. This is that golf course home. Looks straight at the White Tank Mountains. The home was built in 2024. It's 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, 1,842 square feet. Very nice home. Got a patio paver driveway. This had the larger garage, and the secondary bedroom that had its own ensuite. And again, just giving you a refresher video. You probably remember all of that because this is one of your top picks, but I just wanted to help you out here a little bit, and we'll go from there. So hang on to your eyeballs. Going to give you some live, raw, unedited, lots of blooper video. So this is the north side of the home, and you've got your 200 amp electrical panel here, your gas meter, your water shutoff, and all your cable and phone hookups here on this north side of the house. So this is looking to the east, straight out from your front patio here. You got this little park area across the street. This is looking down the street to the south. Walking up to the front door here, beautiful front patio. You'll sit here in the afternoon or the evenings here, looking east. You might even have your morning coffee out here. That's your neighbor next door. And this is the north side of the home. Again, everything's brand new. The house was supposedly never lived in, but a beautiful front patio here. Stepping just inside the front door, you have that door to the right that goes into the garage. This immediate door to the left that goes into the front guest bedroom, bedroom number 3. Just past that is the guest bathroom. Again, this is bedroom number 3. Immediately to your left when you come in the front door. And that bedroom window looks out over the front patio. Standing in that front guest bedroom number 3, you got a nice double closet. The whole house is tile. There's no carpet in the entire home. And you've got the nice, looks like 5 to 6 inch baseboards. This is the guest bathroom, full tub and shower. You've got a linen closet there to the right. Very large laundry room, brand new washer and dryer, doesn't look like they've ever been used. Cabinets above them. You could add a lot more storage in this laundry room if you wanted to. And now we're looking into the kitchen and your great room area. Very nice space, looking straight out onto the golf course. And based on where this was located, Greg, when you were here, we pretty much determined they're not getting any golf balls here, or very few. I could hit it, I'm sure, but we didn't see any golf ball hits on the exterior of this home. So just off the kitchen is our second bedroom with its own ensuite. Before entering that bedroom, we got a coat closet. And then we enter this bedroom. Over there to the left here, if we turn left, I'll show you that here in a little bit. We've got a nice size walk-in closet. And then here's our ensuite, secondary ensuite for this bedroom. Very nice for guests. Full tub and shower here again. Quartz countertops throughout the entire home. Still standing in that secondary bedroom, looking back towards its ensuite. There's the entrance door just off the kitchen. And then here's your very large walk-in closet for a secondary bedroom. Very nice sized closet. Double rows of shelves and hanging rods. Stepping out of that secondary bedroom, looking straight to the kitchen. Again, to the right is the coat closet. Nice GE profile stainless steel appliances. Just a very nice space, nice light and bright, high ceilings. Just off your kitchen again is your own butler's pantry with a large walk-in pantry and lots of shelves. Again, standing in that butler's pantry area just off the kitchen. And that doorway to the right of the patio door there towards the back, that is your primary bedroom. Very nice kitchen. You've got some subway tile underneath the cabinets along the back wall there. And that oven, that's a microwave on top, oven on the bottom. That's a stainless steel trio fridge. And there's looking back towards the front door. Standing in the corner of your great room area, just giving you a view from another angle. Beautiful patio out there with its own gas fireplace. We'll take you out there in a little bit. And that doorway is looking right into your primary bedroom. You have a very nice bay window that looks straight out to the White Tank Mountains. Gorgeous sunsets, beautiful views out here. You're gonna see lots of wildlife. And we'll take you out on that patio, but this is the view from your primary bedroom. Standing in that primary bedroom, looking towards the primary bath. Stepping in here, so immediately to the left is your private toilet room. To the right is a linen closet, and then double sinks in your vanity area with medicine cabinets on both ends, and a very nice walk-in shower with a bench seat, tiled all the way to the ceiling. And then looking in to the closet here. And again, very nice sized closet. More storage back behind the door. Standing in the closet, looking back into the bathroom here. No step or lip here walking into that shower. Still standing in the bathroom, looking out into the bedroom. We come out of the bedroom. We're back into our great room area. Just a beautiful, wide open space here. Great for entertaining and very nice for enjoying the views. So back over there again to the right of the refrigerator, that's your butler's pantry with a large walk-in pantry. Heading towards the front door to the left, that goes to our secondary guest bedroom with its own ensuite. Just past that, this open doorway is the large laundry room. Just past that, to the left, is the garage entrance door. To the right here, across from that garage entrance door, is the guest bath. And now we're back towards the front door, and to the right is the third bedroom. Very nice layout. Large garage, extended length, with an area to park your golf cart up over there. That's an extra 4 feet, I believe. Tankless hot water heater. Water softener loop is in. It's already plumbed for it if you want to add a water softener. We see about 30% of the homes decide to do that. Over there to the left, you'll see the paint buckets. You got extra exterior paint and extra interior paint, along with extra tile for the floor and the shower in the primary bedroom. So I opened up this patio door, getting ready to step out onto the back patio. This is The reason for even considering this house with these gorgeous views here, this just absolutely screams Arizona. Looks like a perfect framed picture here. And here is that gas fireplace with a TV bracket mounted above it. This is an extra deep patio, so it really helps. Since you are facing west here, it helps keep this patio more comfortable and keeps the sun out of the house as the sun's setting for the most part. That is your beautiful White Tank mountain range here, just gorgeous out here. You're gonna have to make friends with the neighbors because both of them have nice pools. You do have, just before you see that bay window, you see that pipe coming out of the wall. That's all plumbed for a gas barbecue or gas fire pit in the backyard, so you don't have to run that extra line. You're quite a ways off the course here. The green is right there, the flag is right there straight in front of us, just to the right of that second cactus. Standing out on this golf course area, looking back towards the house, just beautiful, beautiful views from that patio. Got that flat tile roof. You've got some artificial turf in there. Wouldn't take much. Your neighbors already put up some wrought iron fencing, so if you did want to do that, you certainly could. You do have plenty of room to put a pool or a jacuzzi in if you wanted to. You'd bring it in on the north side of the house. There's plenty of room to bring in the equipment to dig a pool in if you decided to. Again, if you've stumbled into this video looking for a home for yourself in an Arizona 55 plus community, golf or resort style community in Arizona, my name is Jarl Kubat. That's Jarl Kubat. That's all I specialized in for the last 21 years. I've been in all the retirement communities, country club style communities, what have you, in this greater Phoenix metro area. If you have any questions, please give me a call at 480-710-6326 or visit my website at www.justjarl.com. That's JUSTJARL.com. Greg, it was good seeing you. It was the first time you'd been back to Arizona in about a year. I think you're getting closer to making your decision and making Arizona your year-round home here. So I hope this video helps you out. And if you have any other questions or need any more clarifications, please let me know. Again, it was great to see you, and I look forward to hearing from you in the very near future. Take care and have a great day.